Construction began in 2019 and was completed in 2022. Lindapta had previously worked with YAS on other school projects, and were once again approached by them for a suitable method of connecting wire mesh panels to the steel frame of the enclosure. After design team meetings, Lindapta technical support recommended changing the design to Type AAF and Type CF high slip resistance girder clamps, with a strap arrangement around the steel sections. The contractor also determined that clamping the mesh panels to the steel frame would be quicker, safer, and more cost-effective than welding. Type AAF clamps were installed on the flat part of the beam and column flanges, and in areas where this was not possible, the Type CF clamps were used with threaded rod to hook over the flanges and strap around the width of the steel sections. Installation of over 350 clamps was quick and easy, as only simple hand tools were required to tighten each connection to the recommended torque. Lindapta girder clamps provided the contractor with a drilling and weld-free connection on site that was quick and easy to install. Key benefits: adjustable on site for easy installation. No drilling or welding required. Hot dipped galvanized finish offers a cost-effective and low-maintenance solution. For more information, visit the case study section on our website.